I'm going straight through.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
We can do it. We are down here at the Whiteline Tarmac Rally Sprint, and I've bought a Volkswagen Up that is completely stock except for a set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. I'm pretty sure I'm the slowest car here, and we're going to go drive around. Now, this is not like a big racetrack situation, is it, Martin? It's like a little mini track.
It's kind of like a bit of a motor carna vibe, but a long one with some high speed. You have a driver and a navigator, all the gear on, and you try and get a time. It's got proper like Nats off timing as well. So people take it pretty seriously. I don't think you're going to come first, but you might go all right.
I got the slowest car here, and I'm probably going to get the slowest time, but I'm going to have the most fun. I'm fairly sure of it. It's a special, Martin. There's a Yaris doing it with him in it and me navving. You can check that out there. And then there's me in this. You can check. Oh, you're already watching that.
You're already watching that.
So anyway,
Did I saw another Up?
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure
but it had 4 doors. So.
But I'm pretty sure it's the pace car. So what's that tell you? The little Up sets the pace.
I know, but it had a little siren on it.
Yeah.
And it had 4 doors.
4 doors, no good. Yeah.
It's funny, isn't it, that you just add some doors and suddenly it's arse.
Even though it's more useful.
It is.
And probably better to own.
2-door Ups, it's where it's at. Anyway, wow, there's some, oh my gosh, there's some
big
lightning over there.
Gotta go high.
All right, Thunderstruck, let's do this.
And right then, it started absolutely bucketing down. I still had to get my car through scrutineering, which we did under an umbrella. And with the engine bay checked and my helmet checked, then it was time to do a recce of the actual course. At a slow speed, it means you can learn where you've got to go, so when you're at speed, you can do it with confidence. Well, as confident as you can be in a little Up.
Okay, everybody, we are now in the Volkswagen Up. Completely stock, except for a set of Michelin Pilot Sport 4s. Yeah, the Up! See, the Up, it gets a lot of attention, doesn't it, Mum?
See, we're behind a Civic. That thing's gonna crack, you can tell. Yeah, look at the wheel spin. That's gonna be us in a second.
All right, 1912. Now,
it's on ethanol.
The only thing I get to do is, bing, traction control off.
Really? Oh, because it'll shut you down too hard otherwise.
Yeah, it'll shut us down. And Martin, here we go, 15 seconds.
I'm not gonna be much help of where to go. I'm not the best navigator.
Just tell me where to go, man.
Okay, I'll do my
best. I'm going to be
best.
focusing on a blistering performance. Here we go. I don't think this thing will even do a blown out.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, full send. Yes! What a launch! Oh, it's understeer. Oh my God. I thought we were going to hit the first barrier.
No! We're not going to hit a barrier yet, mate.
Go the Up. Yep, you go left here, I think. I feel safe and I feel like we're getting there.
Feel the brakes though.
Okay, the brakes are...
See, the brakes are good. We're on good tyres.
Does it feel like it's gripping? Oh,
yeah.
It's understeering, but it's getting there.
It's fine, man.
Right at the
blue
one,
It's a nice little Sunday drive.
Oh, dude, you got...
Straight around this one.
You have some...
I mean...
I think you're a good driver, man.
Martin, I think I'm just...
I feel safe, but I also feel like we are going as quick as an Up probably should go.
You feel safe because this is as fast as we can go. I've just hit 70 kilometres an hour.
I think I got to 120.
Did you say we go through this bit?
Yeah, but not into that barrier. Oh my God. Hard right.
All right.
It's gripping. It actually feels like it's gripping really well.
It feels like it's gripping great.
Straight ahead.
I just need more now. I need bobs. I'm just... You want your car to be going just about as fast as your brain can think, and mine is not doing that.
I was first gear all through here.
Right,
you might need to be also. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, there we go.
Dude, look at it. It's really impressive for what this car is. Because I'm getting thrown out of my not very supportive seat.
Oh, traction control's chopping me.
It didn't love that, did it?
All right, around here.
Oh, yep.
I mean, the fact that we can still talk means we're not going that fast.
Oh,
we go that way.
So close! You almost hit that barrier.
Come on!
Come on up!
Oh, come on!
Where's the turbo at? Oh, you're shifting at 6.5 grand. Well, this is that's a barrier. That's
no, we're good.
Through the gate, Evo gate.
Come on, give me some power!
There's just nothing else there, is there? Oh, that's some heavy braking.
All right.
Oh, you are so gone on the grass.
No, I'm not, mate. Do not underestimate the Up, my friend.
I'm hanging up. I hope this shit me bar holds on because
first gear. That's it.
Yeah, that's the way. 6.5. Oh, that was 7 grand.
It's getting chopped.
You've got traction.
We're in the
control,
wet too, mate.
Traction control off, and it's still chopping you. No, you're not going. Whoa. Oh. That was traction control. That wasn't the handbrake. I promise, event organisers. Yeah, dude, you're gonna crack it through here. Look at them all smiling. Whoa! Yes! Sideways.
Let's go, little up.
Come on up.
Let's go up.
This
Go,
bit
go,
just
go, go,
needs
go.
turbo.
Foot, I'm going straight through.
No, you're not. No, you're not.
We can do
You're
it.
braking.
We can do it.
Ah! No.
Yes! Go, little up, go! Go! Martin, you're having a great
I
time.
was considering closing my eyes.
Red line, there it is. There it
The
is.
wrong
We're
way
going
through the
great.
roundabout. Okay, brake.
Brake late, Martin.
No, don't
Gotta
brake late.
later than you think we
Scary,
have to.
dude. Oh, return road's going to be sick fun.
Oh, so good.
Come on, let's go
All right.
see what speed we can get up to on the return
Okay,
road.
go, 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 go.
Whoa!
We were so close
Oh, that was
to
really close.
destroying our car.
Oh, that was really
All right,
close.
let's go, let's go. Second gear, it's telling me to change for the
80
eco.
k's an
I'm not
hour.
changing.
90 k's an hour, man. It's not nothing, but it's not fast.
We hit 100.
And you're through.
Great.
Well done.
Thank you very much, everybody. I had a wonderful time. Thanks for Whiteline, of course, for inviting us down to their Tarmac Rally Sprint.
Pretty
Martin,
fun.
I have loved this car, every part of it. Until this moment, I still love it, but it just needs a little bit more power.
Yeah,
Tyres did great. The brakes were shockingly surprising.
Shockingly surprisingly
Shockingly
good.
surprisingly
Yeah, they were
good.
excellent.
When you go around the corner, though, it just needs a little bit more. It just needs a little bit
it
more
really
poke.
does.
So there it is. Of course, if you haven't seen Marty's run in his Daihatsu Yaris, make sure you click on the thing and check that out. That was a lot of fun. The car had a lot of smiles. I mean, what it's not making up for in miles an hour, it's definitely making up in smiles
an
per
hour.
minute.
I wonder if people were smiling or laughing at you. Or they were smiling because that makes them happy.
Martin,
What
I
do you
don't
reckon?
mind.
Does it matter?
I had a great time. They had a great time. This car's better than the Yaris in a lot of ways. I can't think of any right now, but it is. It just needs more power.
Yeah.
How do you get more power in a naturally aspirated engine, Martin?
You add extra aspirations.
Yes. You force the aspirational nature of it, don't you?
Yeah.
That's what you do.
You double its atmospheres.
At least.
You should do that.
At least. Thank you very much, everybody. That was another little special episode of Mighty Comments, because it's good to get in your car and drive them. You can talk all day about why you do 100 different mods to your car, but why do you do it? Yeah, it's fun. You can hang out with your mates and have a burger and talk some shizer, but it's also nice to actually go and drive the car after you've done some mods
And
to
just
it.
pick the right motorsport for your car, because this also, you can pretty much drive anything here. That's the good thing about this event. I mean, there's
Yes.
some wild Evos and Civics and some crazy car. I'm looking at a Starion, like a 40-year-old Mitsubishi Turbo Starion right
Yep,
here. So
that's true.
This can bring just about any car, but yeah, circuit as well.
Yep.
Some circuits out there to suit just about any car. Drag
lot of
racing
fun.
if you want. But yeah, get out there and have a go.
Thanks, everybody. We'll probably be back to the garage next time for the usual things that you would expect to see on the best four-wheel driving channel on the internet. Thank you very much. Thanks again to Whiteline, and see you next time on Mighty Comments. Before we go, how did I go, Martin? How are the times?
Timing is in, so your car number 96.
And I came
You're
last, didn't I?
30 seconds, but there's 34 people. So 33 and 34 after you, mate.
I beat 2 people.
By half a second. Dude, you just beat, no, you beat, it just grew. You've beat 4 people. You were 322, you've got 322.6, 323.7 and 343.1. So you have not come last, and they are all 2-wheel drive cars, interestingly. There's 5 other people slower than you.
Great.
Not bad, dude.